Imagine a tiny ant lifting 50 times its body weight. Now meet the surprising champion of determination, the dung beetle. These beetles can pull over 1,000 times their weight. That's like a human dragging 6 double-decker buses. Why? They roll dung balls to impress mates and feed their young. Their strength comes from their unique muscle structure and determination. Scientists discovered they even use the Milky Way to navigate at night. So, next time you face a challenge, channel your inner dung beetle. Hit like, comment, and subscribe for more quirky facts.